So if you have a lot of camera accessories and you're looking for a good way to transport them, but also a very secure way, this one right here from Start RC is great. This is their TSA approved box that's lockable, and check this out. So you put in your combination here, you press the button down here to unlock it, you get all of this room, and it's all laid out there for you. So if you have an action camera and all the batteries, plus any accessories and selfie poles, you can put them there. And down here, you actually have customizable squares that you can actually move and take out, so you can even customize it exactly how you want. Maybe you have a certain accessory that looks a little bit different. You can take these out according to that, or you can take that thing out altogether just to give you more room down below. Up top, you also have some nice foam to keep it all protected and a little bit of padding down at the bottom. You have a lot of expensive camera gadgets in here, and you don't want people to have access to them, so you can shut this thing, you can lock it with your own combination. There's a little key there for TSA. So if you're like traveling around, maybe you're in different hostels, you don't trust anybody, yeah, I can understand that. You'd want to use something like this, a nice lock box, to make sure no one can get into that. Or maybe even just your kids. If you have little kids running around, you don't want them to be grabbing your cameras and all that stuff that's important to you. This is a really, really nice box. High quality, heavy duty, and a good handle to it as well. So great job, Start RC, on this one. This is very, very nice. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.